So you're actually looking for a way to make money while playing games. That just makes sense. Well, believe it or not, over 51% of US gamers have made money playing games, and that was just a high for 2023. You can imagine that of the present date. Right now, mobile devices have proven to be not just a source of entertainment, but also a source of revenue as well. And with mobile games that are just getting released on mobile devices, it is now even very easier for you to make money while playing games on your mobile device. Hey there, I'm David Kelly from the Tutorials team, and I warmly welcome you to this video. So in today's episode, I'll be showing you the best games that actually paid me for playing money on my mobile devices. So without any further ado, let's aim this tutorial. Well, with all that's been said, I believe you're more than enthusiastic to start making money while playing games on your mobile device, and it just happened to be that I have the two ideal games for you. And the first option that we're going to be exploring is Bitcoin Blast. So Bitcoin Blast is a match 3 game puzzle that lets you match 3 icons together in order to reach new heights. Okay, so this game, if you're more into these puzzle games, you should definitely find this one a convenient option. Okay, so when you download the app, I'll drop a link to this app in the video to the game in the video description. So when you download the app, you just click on this play button, which should load up an art. So after watching the art, this is how the game should look like. Okay, you have to match puzzles, and you need to do that within the time given. Okay, the time is displayed at the top left corner of your screen. From this screen right here, you should be able to see exactly how much you've earned with Bitcoin Blast so far. Okay, so you have the opportunity to play as many games as you wish, and when you know that you've reached a certain cash out threshold, you just tap on this cash out button that's here, just as so, and you can see you have different options for cashing out. You have Coinbase, you have Lightning, and PayPal. So depending on the method you choose, there will be a minimum withdrawal threshold. Okay, so let's say if you choose Coinbase, you have to choose either Bitcoin or Ethereum as a withdrawal option. As you can see, you need to list to meet the minimum requirements before you'll be able to withdraw through Bitcoin. Same goes for Ethereum. Ethereum has its own withdrawal threshold. As you can see, it is even similar to what Bitcoin requires. And for Lightning, you also have the same withdrawal threshold, and when you come on to PayPal, you typically have the same withdrawal threshold. So it just depends, and it can also depend on your account. So just have to meet the minimum withdrawal threshold, that is meeting at least 9,000 Bitcoin Blast points before you be able to withdraw points with this game. Okay, anyway, I think it's good you know that the withdrawal threshold here, or the money that you'll be earning from this Bitcoin Blast game, is not a sustainable income. So I wouldn't recommend you quit your day job to start playing this game. That wouldn't make sense, of course. So you just want to keep this one as a side hustle besides your regular job. Okay, just keep on playing the game, and hopefully you should reach the minimum withdrawal threshold that's required, and then be able to cash out to your preferred cash out method. So the second option that we have here is Freecash. I believe you've definitely heard about this Freecash. Well, at the start, it is not a money making game. It is not a game to start with at a glance, but it has game offers that you definitely find appealing. And if you scroll through the game offers, you see that the payouts are very interesting. You can see a counting match for playing this offer. You have the possibility to score up to $300, and for this one, this magnet miner, you have the possibility to score over $500 US. Okay, and the same goes for all the other offers. The offers differ as per the game, and if you scroll through the other offers that are available through this Freecash, you see that their payouts are not actually comparable to what the game offers have to offer. Okay, and when you just start with the app, your next payout should be equal to, or be equivalent to, $2.5 US, and if you don't reach this minimum requirement, you won't be able to withdraw from this. And funny enough, you find out that scoring these $2.5 US is very easy. Okay, First, when you sign up, there's a bonus that you claim which will go to this 50 cents. Okay, and when you reach the 50 cents, getting the other $2 should be very easy. What you have to do when you come onto this option here, or when you open the Freecash app to start making money while playing games, you just have to click on the game that you want to play. Okay, taking note of the platform that it supports. And if you see, the rewards here have been segmented into different sections depending on the level that you will meet. Okay, if you come here, the main reward, you see that for playing the Sky Plunker, actually that's the installation, it's 0 cent with $0. It shows $0 here because I have already installed this game. If you haven't had it yet installed, it should give you 50 cents. Okay, and then for reaching 150 meters, you score $0.05. For reaching 300 meters, 0.1. And when you scroll all through the way down, you should see that the offers down there are even very interesting, which should encourage you for even going there. But you need to know that for reaching these levels in this game, it's not actually an easy task, and you need more time and effort to reach this one. So to get started with the game, you just need to click on this play and end button, which should take you to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store depending on the operating system that you are using. And from here, you just want to install the game to claim your first bonus. Okay, after installing the game, you should be able to track your bonus in the offer tab. Okay, and then when you reach the minimum withdrawal threshold, or when you reach the withdrawal threshold, you just need to come onto this cash out tab here to cash out your balance. What I love about this Freecash, unlike any other app, is that, or any other game making app, is that they offer many different ways for you to cash out your balance regardless of your location. So if you are located in somewhere that you can't receive payments through PayPal, you should be able to withdraw through any other option that's available in your location. And depending on your location, they will also offer the payout options that are available for you to accept. Okay, as you can see, if I want to withdraw through stake, I have met the withdrawal threshold so far. Okay, I can withdraw my balance through stake right here. But if I'm looking to even get less or to spend less on the fees, I want to meet the withdrawal threshold that has been required here to reach lower fees. If you scroll all through the way to the right, you should see that you have lower fees for withdrawing even higher amounts, and playing just a single game should let you reach this withdrawal threshold. Isn't that interesting? The same goes for Visa. You can see you have to spend just 50 cents for withdrawing $200. And if you go to crypto has its own requirements. If I want to withdraw through Sol, I can withdraw actually now because I've met the requirement, the withdrawal threshold, which is $0.5, that's 50 cents. Same goes to stake. Okay, so those are just the different options that are available for withdrawing coins, and depending on your location, you have even more options for you to withdraw coins. And if you're looking to earn even more to this Freecash, you can go to this rewards tab and see the available options that you have. You can take part into the daily quests that are available for you to participate in. As of now, I don't have any daily quest. And you come onto this bonuses tab, you will see the different options or the different bonuses that are available for you to claim. Okay, as of now, I can claim a free reward for watching ads. Okay, and also you have the option to invite friends. This referral option, I have to tell you that it is one of the best paying option with this game money making apps, money making games, I beg your pardon. So referring someone will get you a 5% commissions on their total earnings. Okay, and you should be able to track your earnings right down here. Okay, again, I believe it's important you know that this Freecash isn't available on the Google Play Store. Okay, and because of that, it doesn't mean that it is not worth a try. It is definitely worth a try, and I'll be dropping the link to this Freecash official APK or iOS version in the video description. So those actually are the best games that should pay you real money instantly, whether it is through your PayPal account, your bank account, or even your Cash App account, or even your crypto wallet. It just depends on the option that you want to cash out and the game that you select to play, or that you choose to play actually. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss our upcoming content. So I catch you in the next episode.